Y Bencampwyr, bydden nhw'n codi un cwpan ar ddiwedd y gêm. Sawl cwpan bydden nhw'n codi dros yr wythnosau nesa sgwni. Nawr, os yna broblemau fan hyn i Wrecsam. Caerdydd ar garlam, Ciho. Drwy'r canol maen nhw'n mynd. Angen i'r gogeidwad fod allan yn gyflym. O, mae'n syml, mae'n rhy syml. Oakley di taro. Rhian Oakley. Seithfed o'r tymor iddi hi.
Yn anffodus o ran safbwynt Wrexham yna llu o gamgymeriadau a arwain at y gol yna. Ni edrych yn amddiffynol dwy chwaraeiraig. Mynd am yr un pêl, Cennal yn cael ei dal allan o safle wedyn, a wedyn mae'n 2-2. Ond i'n meddwl bod y coli di falle just bach rhy hwyr gyda'r pas.
Wrexham, mae'n gwyro, mae'n beryglus, mae dal yno problemau fan hyn. Cook i Caerdydd yn taro'r bar. O'ch chi'n gweld y bêl na'n troelli tu ar gol. Cook ar ergyd, mor agos.
Credu os oedd y gol 2 metr bellach nôl, bys yna top bins.
Gic rydd, cwpl o goliau tymor yma i Cook. Mae'n edrych o fod i'n mynd am y gol hefyd. Dim am heiaeth bod i'n mynd am y gol. Syth mewn. Cook sy'n dathlu yn y glaw yn y brifddinas dros ben Derith Morgan. Bydd y gol geidwad yn siomedig, ond dyw Caerdydd ddim yn poeni am eiliad. Michaela Cook yn dathlu.
Mae'n dweud y cyfan y ffaith bod hi'n cymryd dros Fion Price, achos mae hi fel arfer yn arbenigo. Ond mae'n neis i hi cael bach o gystadleuaeth nawr, achos yna chwip o ergyd y ffordd yn crymanu mewn i'r cornel bellach.
Caerdydd yn cynyddu'r pwysau ar ddiwedd yr hanner cynta. Peniad arall mewn i'r gol. Y capten Siobhan Walsh. Mi oedd hi'n dod. Nawr mae Walsh di taro. Mae'n dair i Caerdydd. Y Bencampwyr yn rheoli yn llwyr fan hyn erbyn hyn. Oakley. Mae wedi bod yn fygythiad cyson. Pnawn ma, y bas ddim yn wael chwaith. Coli drwy'r canol. Os na gyfle i brif sgorio yn y gyngrair. Mae'n fler, ond dyw Eliza Coli ddim yn poeni am hynny. Gol arall i Coli, 17 am y tymor. Yw'r esgyd air ar y ffordd i Coli. Mae'n beder i ddim fan hyn. I hanner ffordd yr ail hanner. Wel, mae'n gyfle reit yn y canol yr eilydd, a mae wedi taro Olivia Basham yn y fan ar lle. Newydd ddod o'r fainc, a mae Basham wedi gwneud 5 i ddim. Gol gynta yn y gyngrair i Olivia Basham, 19 oed, yn disgleirio i'r tîm dan 4 ar 15. Mae nawr yn disgleirio ar y llwyfan mawr. Mae'n 5 i ddim.
Mae'n gwybod y llefydd gorau i fod. Ble mae'r pêl yn mynd i cwmpo. Eto jyst yn edrych fi'n meddwl swnio'n negyddol o ran Wrexham. Mae rhaid nhw gwella yn y sefyllfaoedd amddiffynol.
Price, colli'r meddiant am unwaith. A nawr y Wrexham yn gallu creu rhywbeth. Lily Jones a'r gwaith creu, yr ergyd o bellter, syth mewn i'r gol, di synnu pawb am ergyd, am eiliad. Cara Jones sydd di taro.
Be fi'n hoffi am hwnna yw'r dwysedd o'r chwarae fanna. Un cyffyrddiad allan o trai ti ac ergydio. Nid cymryd 3, 4, 5 cyffyrddiad wedyn. Campus.
I thought we were really good today, especially for the first kind of 60-70 minutes. Probably should have scored a few more in the first half. Credit to Wrexham, they battled through, and we can enjoy this now. And I said to the girls, we didn't have to rely on this game, but I wanted a good performance, and I think they did that today.
Llongyfarchiadau enfawr i glwb Caerdydd. Bencampwyr, prif Adran, Genero, eto.
We're absolutely delighted to win on a pitch like this in front of all the fans. It just sums up what a fantastic season we've had.
And how was that game out there today for you? A goal?
Oh, it was amazing, I've always dreamed of scoring in the stadium, and what a way to do it with a free kick. She finally let me add a free kick. I've been waiting all season for that.
Yeah, and winning the league back to back as well. How does that feel?
I think it just sums up the depth and the confidence in this squad, and we've grown from last year, and I think we got what we thoroughly deserved. And a massive credit to the girls and the staff. Couldn't have done it without anyone in this team.
And how do the next, 2 weeks and still a trophy and then another 2 weeks to the cup final, how do they look, and can you do the treble?
That would be the dream. I think we can do it. I think we've got a strong enough squad, and I think the girls are going to be buzzing off this and going to be wanting to push into the next 2 weeks now to win the treble. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
And I know a lot of you girls that play for Cardiff City are massive Cardiff City fans as well. And how nice is it to see Errol Bullitt, the men's manager, here celebrating with you?
Well, I hope he sees my hat and my Cardiff City gibbet on my croc. I mean, I'm a massive Bluebird fan. I wear the shirt with pride, and a lot of the girls doing it. Again, words can't describe. Fantastic.
Rhian and Eliza, a huge congratulations. How are you feeling? You've won the league and you're celebrating here at the Cardiff City Stadium.
Yeah, obviously it's amazing to win the league, and I don't think we want to be anywhere else than at a home stadium with the fans. So amazing to come off a win today. You know, we know what we needed to do coming into the game, and it's just amazing to celebrate with all our friends and family at this home stadium.
How was it to play out there today and get a goal?
I mean, it's always good to play on this pitch. It's probably one of the best pitches in Wales. It is the best pitch in Wales. It's the best stadium in Wales. And for us to score, both of us have scored, and it's just a great feeling in front of all the fans as well.
What does it say about this side getting the league title back to back?
Yeah, you know, we had a great season last season, but this season we wanted to top off last season. You know, we worked really hard this season. We've had some unbelievable performances, and we topped it off today with an amazing 5-1 win.